everybody. I'm making something quick. I have here some ghee and garlic, which you see right here. And I'm just throwing here some leaves. I picked up from my garden these huge leaves from the cabbage plant that is kind of overtaking the space. So I just cut the huger leaves and just let it grow. And whatever leaves that is bothering the other plants, I just remove and I stir fry it with some ghee. I grab some salt and sprinkle on the top and then just mix it up. That's all I do. I make a quickie little snack. I stir fry this until my liking, or you can cook it. I'll stir fry this until it's cooked and then just serve that as my lunch. I'm going to finish chopping the rest and stir fry it until it's nicely cooked. You can add more things like onions, peppers, but I just like to eat it just like that. It's like saying cabbage a la, how do you say it? Garlicky cabbage or buttered cabbage. Whichever way. I don't know what to put the title either. Alright, so I put the rest. All I'm going to do is just stir it. There it is, my friends, my stir-fried cabbage leaves and maybe a couple of kales that I just pulled out. And yes, mostly cabbage, and you can see these large garlic pieces, and I love garlic. I don't know, food cannot taste that good if there's no garlic or onions. For me, there has to be garlic and onions. I love garlic. I love it, and I love it so much. So this is a very short video, my friends. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.